Let's move on to the fourth stage in mitosis, that is the telophase stage. This word telo means end and phase, as you have already done, is stage. This is the end stage, the last stage of proper mitosis, in which the nuclear division will be complete, means the karyokinesis will be complete. Let's discuss, let's read. The chromatids uncoil, elongate and change into network of chromatin threads. So now that chromatids which have reached the poles during anaphase are going to form chromatin threads. So the keywords are chromatin threads will be formed. Then the nuclear membrane reappears. Now the nuclear membrane that got disintegrated during the prophase stage now reappears around the chromatin network at each pole. Then again nucleolus reappears, which got disintegrated during the prophase stage in each daughter nucleus, and spindle fibers disappear. What is going to disappear now? Spindle fiber disappears. And the centrosome organizes itself above the nucleus, thus completing karyokinesis. Karyokinesis means division of the nucleus, remember. So let us recall this. The chromatids uncoil, elongate and change into network of chromatin threads. Again chromatin threads are formed which were there in the interphase stage or the beginning of the prophase stage. Then the nuclear membrane reappears. This nuclear membrane got disintegrated during the prophase stage, do you remember? But now it is going to reappear, and same with the nucleolus which got disintegrated in the prophase stage, it is again going to reappear in this stage. So you can make out that telophase stage, the last stage of mitosis, is the reverse of the first stage, that is the prophase. So this telophase stage is also, you can say it is a reverse prophase stage. Why it is a reverse prophase stage? Because whatever happened in prophase, the reverse is going to happen in this telophase stage. The chromatin threads are going to form again, the nuclear membrane is going to appear again, nucleolus is going to appear again, and the spindle fibers which were there, they are going to disappear in this stage. So let us make a diagram which is going to represent the telophase stage in case of animal cell and in case of plant cell. So we have discussed that there will be formation of what? Chromatin threads at both the poles. So we are making a structure like this, chromatin threads at both the poles. Okay. Same way in the case of a plant cell. Now what is going to appear? A nuclear membrane. So you will make nuclear membrane around this chromatin threads, okay. Make these nuclear membranes around the chromatin threads. Then after that what is going to happen? Well, the early telophase or the late telophase I am going to show in one diagram only because that is sufficient, I guess. You are also going to show one nucleolus or the dark region in the nucleus. Okay, so nuclear membrane and the nucleolus reappear. You will not show any spindle fiber because as I have mentioned that the spindle fibers disappear. So you will not show any spindle fiber now. But in case of animal cell, you are going to show which organelle? You are going to show a centrosome with the nucleus. Okay, but in case of a plant cell you will not show this. So what has happened now? Karyokinesis is complete. So karyokinesis completes with which phase of mitosis? The last phase, that is the end phase, telophase of mitosis. The karyokinesis is complete, means the nucleus has divided into two daughter nuclei in which the amount of genetic material, the number of chromosomes or whatever it is, the material is equally divided. That is why this mitosis is known as equational division. This equational division means that the amount of genetic material will be equally divided between the two cells. So the amount of material which is present in this nucleus will be the same, will be equal to the amount of material present in this nucleus. So this is absolutely same, that is why mitosis is an equational division of the cell. So here we finish with the Karyokinesis is the division of nucleus during mitosis in the last phase of the cell, in the last phase of mitosis. What are the main points? Remember, the chromatin threads are formed from chromatids and the nuclear membrane reappears, nucleolus also reappears and spindle fibers now disappear, and the centrosome organizes itself above the nucleus, and this completes the karyokinesis, means nuclear division is now complete with the last phase of mitosis, that is telophase.